In this video, I'll show you how to record vocals with FL Studio 2026 or FL Studio 26. First of all, you have to make sure your correct sound driver is selected. I don't want to change my sound driver here, but if you click here, you can see your sound drivers. If the sound driver is not selected, this place there will be nothing here to select from. So once you've selected your sound driver, you can now come here and say input 1, and you plug in input 1, and you see we now have input 1 there. Okay, so I want to record now. What I want to do, let's say I want to record now. Where I have to hit, maybe you are a new person using FL Studio, where you have to hit when you want to record is this red here. So I will just on this button now and hit the red. We have some options here. The first one is audio into editing. That is if you want to put it in editing. Audio into playlists, I think, as an audio clip, that is the one you go most times for. Note and automation. We don't want to record automation. So audio into playlist is the one that you will do most times, because most times when you want to record, you have a beat already and you just record it into the playlist. So I'm talking with my words here. Okay, it's recording everything because why is it recording 3? It's because I have 3 inputs here, 3 inputs, and even if I mute it, it will still record. You see, you can see 1, 2, 3. It's coming out from the mixer. Understand? So even if I still mute it, they will still come out. That's why we have these 3. Yeah, if I just play it, no. So I'm talking. This pattern is good because I can just drop here and say I want to record from, let me put this in none. I'll leave the remaining 2. Let's say I want to start recording from here. I can just hit the record button, audio into the playlist as audio clip. You see? So it just starts from where I drop this cursor point, like this place, like this. We start to record from there. I remember in those days when we were struggling with FL, we were recording into editing, so it was very difficult to do. I don't know if we didn't know it or it was FL that fixed it, but we can now record with FL in a simple way. So that is how to record with FL Studio 2026. I thought I should just do a beginner's tip for you guys. I have videos on EQ, on compression, on lots of things. You can check them out on this channel. And if you're using other versions of FL Studio, you can still use this same method to record. I'm going to do a lot of basic tutorials on FL Studio 26, FL Studio Basics. So if you're new to FL Studio 26, you might want to subscribe to this channel so that I'll give you lots of beginner stuff. So that even if you don't know anything about FL Studio, just stay around. Like I'll teach you, like show you from the scratch as if you don't know anything. Like as if you've not heard anything about FL Studio before. If you stay around, you'll be able to familiarize yourself with FL Studio and know how to use it very well. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, like I said, lots of new stuff are coming up, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out when I drop new stuff to help you in your music and your music production. Okay, I'm a pro to this one Pro Studio. That's it.